What's up, everybody? Gordon, Mother's Recovery. We're on our way out to a police call. Fully loaded box truck in the ditch. We're gonna go out and get him out and get him on his way. Let's get there and see what they got. All right, I gotta back up a little closer. Make sure there's nothing chunky underneath. I'm literally gonna use the lane. That's all I'm gonna use, so. Okay. Shouldn't be that big of a deal. Should be out of here in about 15 minutes. Well, plus paperwork. Gotta get paid. Back up a little closer to this gem. That should be good. Gotta get these free spools great. Hey, he's not supposed to be on this road either. That looks more like a 4-ton road too. It's a pain in my ass. All right, take a break from that for a minute. Let's see what we got under here. Sticker bushes, that's what we got under here. Alright. Wrong box. This one. Is that the long one? Oh, it's 10 foot. I think that's the long one. No, long ones are on the other side. I'm lying to myself. This is the one I wanted. This should say 16 foot. Right? Yeah. There it is. Found it. This is the one I wanted. I lied, I gotta come over here one more time. Let's go. Try to get that out of the mud. Oh, the sticker bushes. You know what I love about sticker bushes? Nothing. Always working in sticker bushes. Nobody can put it in a ditch without sticker bushes. I need to go to the gym. I'm out of breath. And sticker bushes. Sticker bushes everywhere. Should have put the 360 lens on this. Hopefully you guys can see what's going on. Huh? More sticker bushes. I got my hat. I love mud. Let me tell you how much I love mud. Somewhere up around here. Yeah, let's stick of bushes. So just came in from the other side. Let's stick of bushes. All right, come on. I don't know what we're calling. Where's the other one? There it is. Hey, sticker bushes. And there's sticker bushes everywhere. Yuck. Alright. Gotta love mud. That through there. This through here. All the time in the rigging for 30 seconds of pull. I'm coming out this way because sticker bushes suck on the other side. Give that a nice pull there. Bring it around the corner of this body here. That V-ring to it. All right. That's what I like. When I put out enough rope the first time. All right, boom out, boom up. Give it a little bit of rotate. You gotta watch these power lines. Tension on this bad girl. There we go. That's where we want it. We don't want it on that sharp corner. We want it up on the side of the box there. That corner of the box is the strongest part of the truck. All right, let's give her the old boom back out. Turn you guys so you can see what's going on. And the only reason why I'm booming out and over like this, because I want to create lift. You saw that before. As I go up, see how the box truck's leveling out? Exactly what we want. Boss man, I need you in the driver's seat, sir. I need you to start it up.
Okay.
I need you to turn into the ditch. All right, turn the wheel hard right. Yep, all the way you can. All right, put your leg in and enjoy the ride. So by doing that, what we just created is that whole box truck's just gonna go sideways. See how it's just sliding? And then as it comes forward, we gotta stop. We gotta winch in. As it comes back, see the front's gonna pick right up. It's gonna put itself right on the road. Bonk. I gotta boom in some. So we create a little bit of pull. Kind of hard to show you guys this while we operate it. But what we're going to try to do is get this down low enough, give it enough pull back just to get his front wheel on the road. And then we're just gonna boom down. And just like that, you just took a box truck out of the ditch perpendicularly. And as hard as it was to set it all back up, it takes 35 seconds to unhook them. Because now, I know how to play with the damn sticker bushes. Now we gotta put the boom away, which our hooks ended up about the same length, so that's pretty fucking sweet. A little bit of right swing, back, down. We gotta do a little boom in. That should line us just about up to our things here. It looks like I'm a little off on the center of the boom, so we gotta swing it a little bit to make this work. A little bit more right out with that line, just a hair. There we go. And we boom up so that line gets tight, like that. And we'll give this one a little in so that one gets tight. That, hold the underlift up, bang, perfect. Stiff legs up, bang, put the strap away, and that's a wrap. Alright, that wraps up another one. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Casey slung the camera like a boss. And thanks for watching.
Bye.